Understanding how to use a compass is a fundamental skill for any outdoor enthusiast. Whether hiking, backpacking, or exploring new trails, a compass is an essential navigation tool that ensures safety and orientation in the wilderness. This video will walk through the basics of how a compass works, its various parts, and practical tips for accurate use. Learning these skills will help any adventurer feel confident when navigating unfamiliar terrain. 1. Basics of a compass. A compass is a simple yet powerful device that shows direction relative to the Earth's magnetic field. It consists of a magnetic needle that aligns itself with the Earth's magnetic north. Most modern compasses include additional features like a rotating bezel, a baseplate, and a mirror or sighting mechanism. Understanding these parts is key to using a compass effectively. Baseplate. The flat, clear base that holds the compass components. It often has rulers and scales for use with a map. Magnetic needle. The red-tipped needle that aligns with magnetic north. Rotating bezel, a circular, movable ring marked with degrees from 0 to 360 that allows the user to set bearings. Orienting arrow, a fixed arrow within the bezel that helps set the direction of travel. The direction for traveling needle. Located on the base plate, this arrow points in the direction you should move. 2. Holding the compass correctly. Using a compass begins with holding it correctly. This step ensures accurate readings and minimizes errors. Hold the compass flat in the palm of your hand at chest level, ensuring the base plate is level. The direction of travel arrow should face away from you, pointing toward the path ahead. Ensure there are no metallic objects or electronic devices nearby that could interfere with the magnetic needle. Even a slight deviation can throw off the reading, which can lead to incorrect navigation. 3. Finding north. The first skill to learn is finding north. Start by holding the compass flat and letting the magnetic needle settle. The red end of the needle points to magnetic north. Align the rotating bezel so that its orienting arrow matches the needle's red tip. The top of the compass is now facing north. 4. Taking a bearing. Taking a bearing is crucial for navigating from one point to another. To take a bearing, follow these steps. Hold the map flat and place the compass on it so that the base plate points from your current location to your desired destination. Rotate the bezel until the orienting lines inside the bezel align with the north-south grid lines on the map. Ensure the orienting arrow is pointing north on the map. Lift the compass and hold it at chest level. Rotate your body until the magnetic needle aligns with the orienting arrow. The direction of travel arrow now points toward your destination. 5. Walking on a bearing. Once the compass is set, follow the direction of travel arrow while keeping the needle aligned with the orienting arrow on the bezel. Choose a visible landmark ahead that aligns with your bearing, such as a tree or rock. Walk toward this point, periodically checking the compass to ensure you remain on the correct path. If the landmark disappears or the terrain changes, stop and take a new bearing. 6. Using a map and compass together. Combining map reading with compass skills enhances navigation accuracy. To use them together, align the compass's edge with a line between your current position and your destination on the map. Rotate the bezel until the orienting lines are parallel to the map's north-south grid lines. Ensure the orienting arrow points north on the map. This process sets a bearing that can be followed with the compass. To find your current location on a map, use triangulation and choose 2 or more visible landmarks and take a bearing for each. Draw these bearings as lines on the map and the point where they intersect is your location. 7. Adjusting for declination. Magnetic north and true north are not the same. The angle between them is called magnetic declination, and it varies depending on location. Adjusting for declination ensures greater accuracy in navigation. Find the declination for your area, typically shown on local maps. If the declination is east, rotate the bezel clockwise by the number of degrees of declination. For west declination, rotate it counterclockwise. Align the magnetic needle with the adjusted orienting arrow before proceeding with navigation. 8. Troubleshooting common compass errors. Several common mistakes can lead to navigational errors. Holding the compass at an angle or too close to metallic objects may result in incorrect readings. Always ensure the compass is level and free from interference. Double-checking bearings before committing to a path can help avoid costly misdirections. 9. Practicing compass skills. Practicing compass skills is essential for mastery. Start in familiar terrain where mistakes are less consequential. Set simple bearings and navigate to nearby points. Gradually progress to more complex routes that require map and compass coordination. Practice taking bearings and walking to landmarks under different conditions, including low light or challenging terrain. Working with a compass in a variety of environments will build confidence and refine techniques. Consider practicing in pairs where one person sets a bearing and the other follows, allowing for feedback and correction. 10. The importance of preparation. Before heading out on any trip, make sure your compass is in good condition. Verify that the needle moves freely and that there are no air bubbles in the liquid that could disrupt its movement. Familiarize yourself with the terrain and check the weather forecast, as poor visibility can make compass use more challenging. Carry a backup navigation tool, such as a GPS device or an additional compass for safety. Phone apps like AllTrails or Gaia GPS will also work well. While modern technology can be useful, it is not infallible. Batteries may run out or devices may fail, making traditional compass skills invaluable. Mastering the use of a compass is a valuable skill that empowers outdoor enthusiasts to navigate with confidence and safety. Understanding its components, learning to take bearings, and practicing these skills in varied conditions will make any adventurer more prepared for their journey. The ability to read a compass combined with map reading skills opens up a world of exploration and ensures that trips into the wilderness are both enjoyable and secure.